what am I gonna do with them? So let's go. So guys, what should we do? What should we do? I think we should play. Aha, great idea. Thanks, Callie. So now I am gonna get fidgets. I got the fidgets, guys. Surprise, surprise! I have the fidgets. So hold on, guys. I have one more. I couldn't carry it. It's a drawer. Come on, guys, look, it's so cool. I have a fidget. So these are the collections. So you wanna try it out, guys? That stand. And you also just be right there. Okay, guys, so what you wanna start on with? So I'm just gonna sit down. Okay, so what? Okay, guys, I'm gonna take the fidgets, okay? First, I have this. So, for you, Elizabeth, you're gonna take this fidget ball because you said you wanted this fidget ball. So, here you go. So, now for Pinky, she can have... Wait, let me check for my simple dimple. Wait. I mean, you can have this, right? You don't want it, Pinky? Yes, I don't want it. Okay. Thank you. I don't want it. Okay. Well, what do you want to have? I want to have this heart squishy. The heart squishy. Okay, there you go, Pinky. Thank you. So what you want to have, Callie? Can I have the unicorn poppet? Okay, there you go. Thank you. So what am I gonna have is this slime. So I'm gonna take half of it. Okay, guys, you can play with your fidgets. Thanks, Alex. Thank you, Alex. No problem. Have fun. So this is my slime. Bowling. Okay, so are you guys playing with yours? Yes, I am. Can we put our fidgets, fidgets on a ball because I really don't have an idea. Okay, sure, I'll take it. I have one. Here it is. Okay, so put the fidgets inside, guys. Okay, so we're gonna pretend we're making some shopping, buying some fidgets. Isn't that a great idea, guys? I mean, yes, it's a great idea. That's really fun. Yeah, let's go. Put the slime back at the Alex. Okay. Now let's see. You can pick whatever fidgets then we're buying the fidgets. Okay. So I'm gonna buy this snapper. And I think I want the unicorn dimple. Unicorn dimple. And I'll have the dimple. Okay? Yes. Okay. So can I Here we go. We bought it. So you want more? No, that's great. Okay, I'll pay it right now. Okay, so we're gonna swipe it right over here. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, it's all set, guys. You want this bucket now? Yes, we still want. Okay. All right. Okay, is this all you want, guys? Yes, please. Thank you. Okay, bye-bye. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, and subscribe. It's right over here. And also, and go watch my other video, my Lego set. Go watch it out. And also like and subscribe and watch my video with my Lego set. So hope you enjoy. Bye, guys.